Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to solve this given equation. It is a quadratic equation. So we have to use the formula method to solve this quadratic equation. So when we solve the quadratic equation, first we have to check whether it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is already in the form of this general structure. So we have to write the values of a and b and what is c, we have to find out. So first a means the coefficient of x square, that is pq. B coefficient of x minus p plus q whole square, then c p plus q whole square. So now we know the values of a, b and c. Then we have to write the formula to find the values of x. So x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Now minus b. So minus b is equal to minus p plus q whole square. So see, this minus b is equal to, that is minus p plus q whole square. So minus p plus q whole square. Now plus or minus square root of b square minus p plus q whole square, this square. This is b square. Okay, understood? Minus 4a pq and c p plus q whole square by 2a. Just what we have done here, just we substituted the values of the variables a, b, c in the formula. Now minus minus plus, so p plus q whole square plus or minus square root of this. When we take the square for any negative number, it becomes positive. So the square of any negative term is positive. So p plus q whole power 4 minus, this can be written as p minus 4pq, this minus 4pq. Now what we will do, we will write next term, we can simplify, whole square by 2pq. Now what we are going to do here, p plus q whole square is there, p plus b whole square. So this p plus q whole square, we can take it as a common factor. So next term, p plus q whole square plus or minus, now look at p plus q whole square into, here there are two p plus q whole square. So p plus remaining one p plus q whole square minus, already we have taken this, remaining 4pq. So you have to be very clear about these steps. p plus q whole power 4 is p plus b whole square, then the whole square. So from which means p plus b whole power 4 means p plus q whole square into p plus q whole square. So one whole square we have taken as common factor, the remaining one p plus q whole square minus, we have taken this p plus q whole square as common factor, p minus 4pq. So now what are we going to do, p plus q whole square plus or minus, this is the product of two terms, product of two terms. So this term is a perfect square. So square root and square can be removed. So p plus q into this can be written as p plus q. This we can expand this. Why don't we expand? P square q square plus 2pq minus this 4pq by 2pq. So in the next term we will simplify p plus q whole square plus or minus p plus q square root of p square plus q square plus 2pq minus 4pq. So these two terms are like terms. Here we can simplify 2pq minus 4pq is equal to p square plus q square minus 2pq. So here these two terms are like terms. We can simplify and we can put the big number symbol by 2pq. Then in the next step, whole square plus or minus p plus q. This can be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So p minus q whole square. Then the next step we will remove the square and square root. So p plus q whole square plus or minus p plus q into square root will be removed, p minus q by 2pq. Then p plus q whole square plus or minus a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus p square by 2pq. Now we will split the terms. So x is equal to p square q square plus 2pq plus p square minus q square by 2pq, or this is for plus. If it is minus, minus p square will come. So p square plus q square plus 2pq. If it is minus, minus p square, minus into minus, plus q square by 2pq. Now this can be cancelled. 2p square plus 2pq by 2pq. This is minus p square plus p square cancel. 2q square plus 2pq by 2pq. Here what are the common terms? 2p into p plus q by 2pq. So this will be cancelled. P plus q by q, or x is equal to 2q into q plus p by 2pq. So this 2q and 2q will be cancelled. Q plus p by p. So these are the two values of x.